Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you step by step how to hide your phone number on Facebook in 2025. This way, people can't use it to search for you or see it on your profile. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Facebook application, or you can also open your web browser and search for facebook.com. Now, whichever method you choose, you need to simply sign in into your Facebook account. Now, tap on these three lines or your profile icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you need to scroll down and select the option of settings and privacy. Over here, tap on the option of settings in order to come here in the settings of your account. Now, you need to use the search bar here in the top and search for the option of number. Now, once you search for number, you are going to see the first option of contact info. So you need to tap on this option in order to see which number you have added on your Facebook account. Now, if you come back here in your settings and privacy and again search for the option of number, you will find how people can find you or contact you. So the option here would be people with your phone number. So tap on this option and select the option of no one. So if you see the option of only me, you can also select that, or you can select the option of no one. You can remove the number if you don't want it to link at all, but make sure that you have another recovery option like your email address. So here, once you save this setting, this way your phone number will no longer be visible to others or searchable, giving you more privacy. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.